Hey Amy, I was just kidding. What?
Hey Lily, I brought some stuff for you. Oh, my knee.
What happened?
Oh, it hurts. How can I go out with this bruise? It really worked. Thanks, Lily.
No problem.
Mosquitoes, go away. Ow. Oh my gosh, mosquitoes.
These flowers are so pretty. Oh, bee, go away! Finally, the bee's gone. Ow! Oh my gosh, the bee stung me!
Really? Lily, can you help me open my soda?
Okay. Ow! Oh my gosh, how do I fix this nail? Now my nail's fixed. Here you go, Amy.
Thanks.
No problem. Oh man, my lips are so dry. How can I go to the party?
What a bad day. I got a splinter on my hand. Darn, how do I get the splinter out? Finally, I can take the splinter out.
It's ready to eat.
I love hot pot.
Amy, can you get me a bowl?
Of course. Ouch.
Are you okay?
Darn, I got burned. Thank you, Lily. My hand's better now.
No problem. Let's eat.
Okay.